So what's the best way to take down the lights that we got all of these customers? How do we get them down? What do we need to do to make sure that we get the best route? Because the last thing you want to do is go to point A and go back to tracking. And so I'm going to show you some tools that I use today to be able to help you route your job. So the first thing you need to do is go into your CRM, get all your jobs, and export them out. So you'll have a list of all of the customers that you have. And so DJ actually sent me this list the other day. And so I took this list and I went from here. So this is the list of jobs that I have for DJ that we got to go take down. You can even do this on PutUp. And so what I did is in the past, I've actually take those addresses and I've made you can make a sheet in here through Google and it'll look like something like this and it'll put a dot on them and you can kind of guess kind of where they are. And I wasn't liking the way that it was. And so one of the things that I did is I've actually used ChatGPT and I've used DeepSeek, and I put DeepSeek in here. And so what I did is I put all the addresses in it. And so what it started going through of what it did and, putting all the addresses in. And then it gave me some tools. And first off, I put them all into the map here, and you'll see they have the numbers on them. Number 7, that's the address. But I was like, man, this does not look like a very good optimized route. And so one of the things that DeepSeek said that, hey, you can use a tool like the Map Developers tool. So I tried that one. That one sucked. But you could also use or Excel. And the good thing about Route Excel is you can put 20 addresses into this system, and then it will allow you to put it in there, right? And so one of the things I did is yes, I can go to Route Excel and I can do it here, but one of the problems is it only allows you to do 20, and it only allows you to do it so many times, and then it won't allow you to do it no more. And so that was my issue. I was like, well, I can't do any more. So what did I do to overcome that? Well, what I did is I went into an incognito window. Sometimes there's more ways to skin a cat than others. And so this is what it looks like. And so I'll kind of walk you through here of how to do this through Route XL. If I can make it a little bit bigger, let's see, what do I need to do? So what I did is I just kind of went in here, and what I did is I'll just start over again since I already have it in there. And so this is what it's going to look like when you get on there. You just click start. From there, you come up here and you go to the little import button. So you have all your addresses. You've reached your maximum number of locations. You can add more addresses for a small upgrade. So I don't want to do that. So I'm going to close this out, leave site. I'm going to go back here and open me a new incognito window, and we'll put in Excel, search Google, find it here, go and get started. We can allow this time, and I'm going to go into import, and now it's letting me do it. So this is how you can do more routes. One of the things is we are actually starting, and what I've found out is the first line is where you're going to start at. So I'm going to do Crescent Springs, Kentucky. This is actually where I'm meeting DJ at. And so let's see if it'll find that for me. I don't know if it will. I might actually have to put an address in. So nope, it found the Crescent Springs, and now it is routing it out. So it's going to map them all out, and it's pretty cool. It just mapping them out, all the stops. Once it gets done with the stops, then all you got to do is one more button, and it's going to reroute all of this stuff. Now, I already did one, so we'll see what this one looks like also, but I bet it's probably going to be pretty close to the other one. Maybe, hopefully. So it's still adding a couple more stops. I was going to say, I know there's a couple up in here. There we go. There was more errors, so it couldn't find the address for Crescent Springs, which that's fine because that's all I put in. And then down here at the bottom, there we go. So down here at the bottom, it says find route. So we just hit find route. It's going to do its thing here. And once we get done here, ba-da, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And so now we've got our route. This is actually a better route than I did earlier. because one, it was having us here. And then you can go over here to the top over here at the top and click addresses, maybe addresses, and then it gives me all my addresses, right? How cool is that? It gives me all my addresses. It tells me where I need to go at. And this is how we can actually do all our routes so that we can be anywhere, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 behind here. And there's 5, 6, 7, 8. So it keeps us in a nice little tight route. So we'll be able to get all of these jobs done very quickly. So again, this is just something I wanted to kind of, a lot of people are always asking, what is the best way to route? I see that Route XL has worked very well. I tried a couple of the other ones on DeepSeek that it talked about. And so this is definitely something that I would highly recommend you to look at and to make it a lot better for you. So with that, hope that helps you out. If you need any Christmas lights, go check out christmaslights.io. Don't put the S on lights, and you can find all the awesome lights that you need. So with that, hope you have a great day. Go check out my next video and so that you can learn more about Christmas lights. We will be taking down Christmas lights today, and I don't know if we'll get all 19 jobs done or 18 jobs done in Ohio, but we're going to try. So with that, hope you all have a great day.